wanna know.
Hi you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as y'all can see by the title, I'm giving y'all another hair tutorial today. And today we're going to be doing some two-strand twists. Now this is honestly a very easy starter, beginner friendly hairstyle. If you are starting off with natural hair and working on natural hair, two-strand twists are really easy, but I do understand how it may not be easy for some, and that's why I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial. Starting off, products, I'm using the same products I always use, the Nylajai'ne conditioning gel. I'm going to put a picture up here for you guys to see. And my client came with his hair washed, so I did some detangling and I went in and blow dried it. Now you don't have to go in and blow dry your client's hair, but I go in and blow dry it. It makes the process faster and it has a better outcome with the hairstyle, but the hair will revert back to its curls with the method that we are using today. So there's no problem with blow drying the hair, but I do recommend going in and blow drying it. So I detangled and blow dry his hair, and then I parted the front section of his hair off from ear to ear, starting from behind his ear to the other side of his ear, and I sectioned that off, and that's how we are going to be doing the braid down pattern. So after I have sectioned that off, I go in with my regular parting. He wanted small parts, so that's what we are going to be doing today. Of course, do the parts that your clients request, but for this video we are going to be doing the small parts. So I go in and I part off my first row. So with two-strand twists, the way I start them off is by braiding it, because that keeps the two strand together. So I add a little bit of product on this section after I have parted it, and I braid the hair down at the root. And you are going to eventually take a section and split it in half. So usually I braid it down in the section that is to the left out of the 3 sections of the braid. I split that in half, and then I add it into the other 2, and then start off with my two-strand twist. The kicker is after you have braided it down and you added the Nylajai'ne shining gel product, I add in some mousse on the hair, and that is what allows the hair to revert back to its curl pattern. Now, depending on the consistency and the density of the 2 other sections determines how much hair you're going to add to get the two-strand twist, if that makes sense. You guys will be able to feel and kind of tell if the 2 strands are even, but that's basically all I did. Started off with a braid, and then I put the hair together into 2 sections by taking the left section and putting it into the other 2 sections. So you guys can go ahead and watch how I do this process, and it'll help you guys get a better understanding of how it all works. I literally lost footage of the ending product, unfortunately, so I'm going to put up a video of how I've done his hair before. This is not his first time coming to me. Overall, this is how it looks. His hair was a little shorter, of course, when I did it the first time. But overall, this is how the hair should turn out. And I also went in with the blow dryer after, and I blow dried his hair just to make sure all that product was dry. So yeah, you guys, that was the full tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know what else you guys would like to see as well. And I will see y'all in the next video.